Welcome back to Revelana. Hey, so today we're going to talk about just setting up your payments. We're a huge fan of Stripe. Stripe is a payment processing system. They also have swipers and things you can look into that are very, very cost effective that you can have in your facility and be able to run swipe or tap those credit cards in there. But this is simply for online. So I just want to show you all you have to do. So right now inside Revelana, I'm in the integrations tab, and that's where it has Stripe. So eventually after you set up your Stripe account, you want to come in here, press continue, and then it's really just going to ask you for your client ID, like your information that, not this, I'm sorry, that's PayPal. You want to, which we also integrate directly with. So if you do have a PayPal account, you can end up putting it right in here. So you're integrating with PayPal as well. But I'm just going to focus on Stripe. So when you connect with Stripe, it does the same thing. It just asks you for your login information. So what email address do you use with that? And then, press continue. And then it's going to ask you the password. Once you log in with your password, you're in, you're integrated. So I'm not going to do it because I don't want this integrating with our Revelana templates account. So I'm going to get out of here. But I do want to show you something. I do want to show you how this works on the Stripe side. So you want to go to stripe.com. And what I usually do, just to keep it simple, is you go to pricing and you'll see it doesn't cost anything a month. It's totally free a month. And so when you go to the pricing tab, it's going to bring you to the page where you can scroll down and you can start getting payments going through Stripe. You can get your account started through Stripe. Super simple. You just scroll down, you'll see where it says create an account. So you can just go, and we're on the pricing page, create an account. You're putting in your email, your full name, and just, things, you're creating your account, your password, right? And you're just creating your account. Once you create the account, then it's just going to ask you very, very simple questions. So you're becoming a merchant. And you're running a business and your business has a location. So it's just going to ask you some pretty basic information and then you're all set. It only takes a couple of minutes. So I'm just not going to go through everything. It's pretty intuitive. If you have any questions, just ask at revelana.com and we'll help you with that. And also, if you hate technical things, we have, if you go to revelana.com services or just click on the services tab on our website, you'll see we have tech support and creative support services that are super cheap. And instead of crying, we can swoop it away and do it for you. Okay. Hope you appreciate the video. But once you get that set up, you go back to the integrations tab in Revelana, and then you're just remember, if you don't see integrations in this list, you go down to settings, you're going to see integrations here. That's when you're going to click on Stripe, and then you're going to set up Stripe. You're going to click here and set it up with your email and your email and the password that you use to get into your Stripe. Press continue and it's done. Okay, bye. It is that simple. Bye. Bye for now.